Hi, my name is Nelson. I'm your water consultant. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I have with me a special person, an engineer in the water factory, both sachet engineer, pet blowing engineer, the bottle line engineer. So any engineering aspect, but the treatment side too, you are looking for one, I can vouch for this engineer. And that is why I brought him to my YouTube channel today, for him to introduce us to the sachet sealing machine. He will take us through the components and its functions and other things that you need to know. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell for every notification on my latest video, like the video, share with your contact who is interested in water factory business, especially the sachet water business, popularly called the pure water, and then place your comment. We'll respond to all your comment. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, let's meet our engineer. Engineer, what is your name?
My name is Michael Jacob.
Okay, his name is
Factory engineer.
Okay, the factory engineer. Welcome to this section. Like I've said already in introduction, you show us some of the components, their name and their functions, so that those who wants to be an operator could learn on this. Thank you. You can proceed, engineer.
Okay, I'm here to explain about this Dingri. This is Dingri packaging machine. This is the machine. Okay, now we have some of the components of the machine. We have the vertical temperature, we have horizontal temperature, and we have the UV light sterilized on the machine here. Those are the buttons. This is the power button, this is the UV light, this is the heating machine. While this one is the running machine, this is the stop. This one is the counter. It's the one counting those sachets you are seeing on my hand here. Okay. The function of this vertical temperature. We have the elements and the thermocouple wire connected to the line. This is the temperature control. You now see the elements on the machine here. This is the element. This is the wire here. This wire, the function of this wire here is to reduce, to control the temperature, while the element is to make the heatness of this component here. And this one here you are seeing is to seal the leather. This is the sealing of the leather. This is the work of this vertical. We also have the horizontal. This is the horizontal temperature here. The function is also called the same. They make the cutting and they also sealing. You also have the elements and the thermocouple wire to make the heat and to reduce the heat on the normal control you have set for the temperature here to give you the results. We also have the Teflon on the machine. It's the one making the sealing of the leather. While the horizontal, we also have the same. Here we have the cotton rubber. We have the element inside that heat to make it cut. So this rubber, this cotton rubber you are having inside here, this is the cotton rubber. When it's due to change, you remove it. Sometimes it gives leakage at the edge of the sachet water. Why? Because the cotton rubber is due to change. Sometimes it's sometimes is this the front here. You also give the leakage on the sachet water when you are producing. So you have to reduce this one. You now use, this is what I'm talking about. You now remove this one on the machine that half hot. You change it to the new one you bought with the cotton rubber to make use of it, not having longer leakages again on your sachet water machine. So this is the machine here you are seeing. So
Okay.
this is the basin. When you are producing, water will drop inside the basin to make it clean.
Okay. If you go to some machines, you don't have this collector. This one, what's the function?
The basin. Okay, this one.
Yes, what's the function?
No, the function of this one you are seeing here is to make the water drop on it now to reduce the force of the water so that it will drop inside the basin small to not open. But without this one, the water will drop by the force, will not open.
Okay.
That is the function of this one here.
Okay, and sometimes an indication of leakage.
Yes.
If there is water drop, you know that there's a leakage. What's the function of this one?
Okay, this one here, this is the hand of this machine. Without this hand, this leader will not drop. This one helps us to draw this leader down. If you see this hand is not functioning well, you can look at this leader now. It will not be dropping down, it will be going up to show that this fingering machine has fault. It's at the back here. It has fault at the back. So you have to call the engineer to make the repair.
Okay. Is there specific temperature for the vertical and the horizontal?
Yes.
When you're setting, is there any specific temperature?
Yes. This is the vertical temperature. This one, if you have this one, 120. While this one, you will have 130 or 105, 50. Although, depends on the quality of the leather.
Okay, the micron,
Yes,
the thickness of the leather.
Of the leather.
Okay.
Do not make the setting so that will give you the result.
Okay, the higher the thickness,
The higher
the temperature.
The temperature.
So that means the vertical temperature is always lower than the horizontal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay, engineer, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll bring this and more across to you. In our next video, we'll look at we'll go more deeper into splitting the machine, setting up the machine, changing the Teflon, changing the cotton rubber, and others that you need to know. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you, engineer, for coming around. See you next time.